I'm going to show how I make my leave-in conditioner. I have really dry and frizzy hair, so flaxseed really helps my hair. This particular leave-in conditioner helps me handle the frizziness of my hair and really adds moisture to my hair. So I'm going to show you how I go about with it. It's really simple. You need 1 cup of water and 1/4 cup of flax seeds. And now you're going to bring it to a boil. And once it starts boiling, we'll switch it off. The more you boil, the more it thickens. And as you let it cool down, it's going to thicken. So it's best to just give it one good boil and then strain it. And when you leave it, you'll realize in a few minutes it'll thicken up and become a gel. It's that simple. So after I'm going to strain this liquid, I'm going to save these flax seeds. I'm going to keep it in a Ziploc pouch and I'm going to put it in the freezer. I've used it up to 5 times to make flaxseed gel. So you can try the same. So this is it. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil into this gel. I'm going to add 5 drops of lavender oil into it. Give it a nice swirl. And it's looking really thin right now, but once it cools down, we'll show it to you again. It'll become a thick gel. I'm going to just leave it open for it to cool. And that's it. That's how you make your leave-in hair conditioner. I use it right after I wash my hair, and when my hair is wet, after I've towel dried it, I take a little in my hand, run it through my whole hand, and I just spread it all over my hair. And it really works for me. Let me know how you like it. I'm sure you can already see that it is thickening up. With regards to storing your flaxseed leave-in conditioner, if you're going to keep it in your bathroom, it's not going to last you more than a week. And if you keep it in your refrigerator, it will last you up to a month. Obviously, because there are no preservatives in it.